I tracked how I spent my time in my business for a full week. Emails, CRM updates, content scheduling, lead follow-ups, meeting prep, and client reporting. The majority of my working week was going to tasks that didn't require deep thinking. Repetitive stuff that followed the same pattern every single time. So I decided to do something about it. I used Claude, which is Anthropic's AI coding agent. And over the course of about a week, I built an AI system that now handles about 80% of the repetitive work in my business. And this isn't with a team of developers, and it's not with expensive software. It's literally just me in my terminal on my computer describing exactly what I wanted in plain English. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the 5 automations I built, the real results, and how you can do the same with your business. So let's dive right into things. Okay, now if you're new to the channel, my name is Rahul and I run an AI automation agency based in London, but I'm currently traveling out here in China. If you're not familiar with what we do, we build AI systems to help businesses convert more leads while saving money and countless hours of time. If you want to see exactly how these systems can work for your business, then hit the top link in the description below and book in a completely free AI strategy call with myself. Now let's get back into the video. Okay, so first of all, let's actually talk about what Claude actually is. So Claude is Anthropic's AI coding agent. It runs in your terminal, you describe exactly what you want in plain English, it writes the code, it builds the system, and it connects directly to your tools. The key feature of Claude is the fact that it has MCP servers. These plug Claude directly into your CRM, into Trello, into your Google Calendar, Notion, email, and much more. So it basically integrates with any API. And one of the insane upsides of this is that there's literally no coding experience required. You're not writing a single line of code, you're describing exactly what you want in plain English. So the core difference between Claude and ChatGPT is the fact that ChatGPT just outputs text, whereas Claude can literally connect into your tools and build out fully functioning systems for you. So it doesn't just suggest what to do, it actually goes away and does it. Now to put this into perspective, let me actually go through and talk about the 5 automations that I built out. So let's start with the first one, which is lead management and CRM follow-ups. Now before, all of the leads would come into my CRM from forms, from discovery call bookings. I would then go and check Go High Level, which is my CRM platform. I would check that manually, read their details, figure out where they are in the pipeline, then write a personalized message and send it out. Now, if you multiply that by 20 to 30 active leads at any given time, it then becomes a real time drain. And this means that some leads inevitably will slip through the cracks. But now I actually built out Jarvis within Claude, which is my personal AI assistant. And it basically pulls data from every single opportunity in my CRM pipeline, analyzes exactly which ones need following up with based on the pipeline stage and last activity. It then drafts a personalized message for each one, referencing their company, their situation, and what we discussed. And that can also pull information from Fireflies. So if I've actually spoken with the lead before, it will pull that information across and reference our discussion within the SMS, within the WhatsApp message and the email. So this actually happened. Last week, Jarvis pulled about 100 open opportunities from my pipeline. It identified the ones in the no-show, negotiation, proposal, and new stage phases that needed following up with. Then drafted a personalized message for each and every one, and I approved and sent about 17 of them within minutes. And each of the messages actually referenced the person's company and their current situation and led with value, which is exactly how you should be following up. And that would have taken me an entire afternoon or at least a few hours every week to do manually. But now it literally is done in seconds because Jarvis has its own schedule. So I've scheduled in exactly when I want the task to be completed, and it will then go away, complete it, and actually text me via my phone to let me know when it's done. So that's absolutely insane. We're literally in the era of having your own personal AI assistant. And the lead response time in this specific scenario went from being hours to a matter of minutes. So there's no more leads slipping through the cracks because I'm too busy with other work. Jarvis can follow up consistently for me. And that's just one system. There's so many more. So let's dive into the second one. Now the next one is the content pipeline. So before I was writing every single YouTube script, then separately writing LinkedIn posts, then separately writing newsletter content and school community posts. I was creating Trello cards for every single piece. I was generating YouTube descriptions, tags, thumbnails, and handling it all one by one for each of the various platforms. But now I've built out this system with Jarvis where Jarvis can actually create my YouTube scripts for me, Based on our strategy, our target audience, it can create platform-specific LinkedIn posts with the right angle and the right tone and voice, as well as newsletter and school community content. And it also can create the Trello cards directly within our Trello board and actually add the due dates in there for us as well as labels to label up everything, make sure it's completely organized following our content SOPs. And also, as part of this process, it actually uses Appify, which basically connects to YouTube and LinkedIn and can go through and analyze our competitors, other people in the same niche, look through their content, understand exactly what hooks they're using, what sort of descriptions, titles, thumbnails, tags they're using, and actually take that data, feed that back into our system, and we use that when creating content. It also pulls analytics from our channel, our LinkedIn, analyzes the data of past performing posts and content, and can use that to feed that back in and create better content and basically iterate over time on autopilot. So essentially the result here is that we can have the same content output or even output higher volumes of content across multiple platforms while spending less time and creating higher quality content in that process. So essentially having something like this in place is literally a no-brainer. And then again, there's so many more scenarios we've also automated. So for example, we've got meeting prep and calendar organization. So before I was having about 5 to 10 calls every single week. And before each one, I would scramble to look up exactly who the person is, what company they run, where they came from, what we discussed before, if we've spoken before. And half the time I would jump on the call unprepared. But now Jarvis actually does meeting preparation every single morning for me. So he can identify all the upcoming meetings of the day and specifically look for the calendar events with a Google Meet associated with them. And then for each meeting, Jarvis pulls up the contact's full profile within my CRM, the company name, the email, the phone, what form they filled in, which page they came from, how they actually found me, what pipeline stage they're in, and also whether we've spoken in the past and exactly what we discussed before. So it compiles a full meeting prep before I've even woken up. I literally just wake up, I've got a message on my phone from Jarvis telling me exactly what meetings I have up for the day and a full summary for each one to prepare me. And I literally just go through that while sitting on the toilet in the morning. So now before a day with 10 back-to-back calls, my system prepares me for every single one with full contact research, CRM data, and recommended talking points. And then I walk into each call knowing exactly who I'm talking to and what to focus on. And that exact preparation used to take me about 15 to 20 minutes before every call, but now it takes me 0. So now I'm having better calls, high conversion rates, and it's taking me 0 preparation time, which is absolutely crazy. And then the fourth system is our business intelligence and analytics system. So before, I used to manually check my CRM pipeline to see how many leads were in each stage. I would check the YouTube analytics, I would go to see the LinkedIn performance, look at newsletter subscriber growth as well, and try to piece together everything to get a clear picture on how my business was performing. I would do this about once a month at best, and usually not even at all. But now I've implemented Jarvis to actually pull data from my CRM pipeline across all stages. Jarvis can analyze the conversion rates, identify exactly which lead sources are performing best. It can pull analytics from LinkedIn, YouTube, and my newsletter and generate actionable insights for me. So Jarvis actually identified clear patterns about which channels were driving which types of leads. YouTube was pulling more direct to clients, so more direct to business owners that we actually want to work with. Whereas LinkedIn was a lot more agency owners and white label partnerships. Now that data-driven insight directly shaped my content strategy moving forward. And it's exactly how we're going to be scaling the agency. So ultimately here, we've got real visibility into what's working and what's not without me having to manually spend a single minute of my time looking into data across all of these platforms. And then of course we have system number 5, which is our client and project management system. So before, all of my client projects would live across various Notion boards with tasks, deadlines, and deliverables. I would manually track each and every board, update these statuses, and try to keep everything on track across multiple active builds. But as we're scaling and we're handling so many different builds at once, we needed a better system to make this more streamlined. So what I'm doing is using Claude Code to manage our Notion boards for active clients. So we have clearer updates of project statuses and can keep track of deliverables a lot better. So when I need a status update on any client, I can pull a full picture in seconds by just asking Claude Code rather than digging through multiple boards manually. So what this meant is that for active clients, the system manages the entire task boards in Notion. We can track milestones, update statuses, and give me entire visibility into where each project actually stands. So that means that client projects run a lot smoother and nothing gets lost between the cracks. Now you're probably wondering, what's the full tech stack that we use internally within the agency? Well, of course, we use Claude Code, which is the main brain behind everything. That's the main AI system. I actually cancelled my ChatGPT subscription because Claude Code is leaps and bounds ahead of any other system. And then we've also got the MCP servers, which are the connectors that give Claude Code access to every single external tool that we wanted to connect into it. So we have Go High Level, which is what we use for our CRM platform. So we've connected that in via MCP into Claude Code. We've got Trello, which is what we use for content management. We've got Notion, which is what we use for client project management. Google Calendar, which is how I manage and schedule my time. And I also use that for Jarvis as well. So Jarvis has his own calendar where he actually has his own time schedule as well. And then we have NA10, which is our main workflow automation tool, as well as Make.com. And then we have Google Sheets and Airtable, which is what we use for data tracking and analytics. And again, all of these tools are directly connected into Claude Code and Jarvis, which is my personal AI assistant. So they have full control and full visibility over everything. Now, of course, you don't need this exact tech stack. You can swap out and remove any tools as you wish, but this exact architecture works in the same way every single time. Now, I've been running the system for almost a month, and before running it, I was spending about 30 hours a week on operations and admin, but after implementing it, I was able to cut down that time by over 50%, which means it saved me about 12 to 19 hours every single week. That's 12 to 19 hours of time that I've gained every single week that I can focus on doing high value work. So that would be sales calls, strategy, relationship building, and creating content. And then also my lead response time has significantly dropped and we're a lot more consistent with leads. We're creating a lot better content and making content a lot more consistently with a lot less manual effort. We're also not doing much in terms of meeting prep because it's completely automated every single morning. And then I've got a lot more visibility over my pipeline because Jarvis can literally see every single lead within my pipeline. I can just ask him a question and he can just go in, fetch the data and get back to me within a matter of minutes. But I'm not gonna sit here and pretend that everything is automated. Sales calls, client strategy, recording videos and building custom AI systems for clients, that's all still done manually. And it should be, right? That's the high value work inside of our agency. But every repetitive task that's draining you time and energy, that can be handled by Claude Code. So I highly recommend setting that up or looking into how you can do it. And this is the exact process that you want to follow to figure out how to actually approach that. So step one is tracking exactly how you spend your time every single week. So you want to track every single task, how long it takes, whether it needs your personal judgment or whether it follows a repeatable pattern. And then step two is to sort those tasks based on their impact. So which tasks take the most time, which ones follow the most repeatable steps, and you want to start there. And then step three is to pick one automation. So you want to start with the task that annoys you the most and costs you the most time. And then step four is to install Claude Code and connect it to your most used tools via MCP. Then finally, step five is to describe the workflow in plain English, be specific about the triggers, the actions, and the outcomes, and then you can basically build the full automation for that specific task. Now, of course, you won't be able to automate everything in one weekend, but you can get your first automation running, save you a few hours every single week, and then build up from there. Now, if you're a business owner spending more time on admin than on actually growing your business, click the top link in the description below to book in a free AI strategy call with myself. I'll personally map out exactly which parts of your business can be automated, which tools to connect, and how fast you can get it up and running. No pressure, no fluff, just a clear plan to help you guys out. And also drop a comment down below and tell me what's one task in your business that eats most of your time. If there's one specific comment which a lot of people are mentioning, I will actually go ahead and film a video on that specific system. Now that's it for this video. Subscribe for more AI automation content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.